Established in 2002, Dongguan OYU Industries Company has grown a reputation of excellence. Because of business expand and development, we set up Dongguan OYU Precision Machining Technology Company Limited as manufacturing base. The 120,000 square foot facility provides a state-of-the-art workplace for over 500 employees. Factory is located in Dongguan, only 1 hour from Shenzhen and 1.5 hour from Hong Kong. Dongguan OYU has become the recognized name of the highest quality custom CNC machining parts and plastic injection parts, as well as metal jigs fixtures. OYU is also the industry leader in custom, quick-turn CNC machining services for rapid prototyping. With hundreds of CNC machines and 120 units plastic injection machines, our unmatched in-house capacity ensures your parts are shipped on time, every single time. OYU guarantees the quality of your parts with our ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified quality management system. OYU precision competence and competitive price superiority attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including USA, Germany, Japan, Russia, Sweden, UK. OYU offers instant pricing, on-demand lead times, and design for manufacturability feedback on materials and manufacturing processes for custom CNC machined parts and plastic injection parts. No matter your industry, you can get your instant quote anytime from us. Come to OYU, find the precision, and reach the perfection.